Hi everybody, this is Mr. Troy, and this is a video about writing equations of lines. Today we are going to learn how to write equations of lines in point-slope form. So it's useful to remember what point-slope form tells us. It tells us the slope and also some point. So if I have an equation x minus h in parentheses plus k, that's going to tell me the point h comma k. So here's a quick example. If I have y equals 2 times the quantity x minus 1 plus 3, that's going to be a line with a slope of 2 and a point on that line 1, 3. So a point where x equals 1 and y equals 3. And that's all the information we need to graph a line. So here is a line. It's got a point of -5, -7, right here in red. And it looks to me like if I pick two arbitrary points, that there is a slope of 2 over 1. So here's the information I've got. Now you may be asking yourself, well, it looks like you have the y-intercept. Isn't that a point right here? Well, we're going to graph this because this is a method that works if we don't know the y-intercept. So I'm going to fill in my formula. Y equals m, so y equals 2, times the quantity x minus h, x minus -5, plus k, plus -7. Now we're going to end up simplifying this to y equals 2 times the quantity x plus 5 minus 7. And you may remember that as switching the inside. So the inside is a plus 5. That's the opposite of the -5 from the point. And the outside stays the same. So the -7 is both in the point and in the equation. All right, so let's try that with this line. It says write an equation for the line using the given point, then simplify to slope-intercept form. So I can see from my graph that I have a slope of down 3, right 1. Remember, we always want to go to the right. Or a slope of -3 over 1. I'm just going to write that as -3. I have the point 1, 6. So into my equation, I'm going to write the slope, which is -3, times the quantity x minus 1, I'm switching the inside, plus 6. So that's my equation in point-slope form. If I convert it to slope-intercept form, I should be able to tell what the y-intercept is. And the way I do that is by distributing. So I should get y equals -3x plus 3 plus 6. It's a plus 3 there because I'm distributing the -3 in. And that gives me y equals -3x plus 9. If I look on my graph, I can see that the point 0, 9 is in fact my y-intercept, which means I've done this correctly. All right, final example. This time I've got a slope that looks like 1/6, if you count that out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I've got 2 points to choose from. Now what we're going to learn here is it doesn't matter which point we choose. So the blue circled point is 2, 0. And I could write one equation with that. And the red circled point is -4, -1. And I could write an equivalent equation with that. So when I do that right now, the blue one gives me y equals 1/6 times x minus 2 plus 0. And the red one gives me y equals 1/6 times x plus 4 minus 1. Okay, so what I want you to do now is pause the video and take a second and distribute those out. When you unpause, the answers will show up. Okay, pause the video. All right, welcome back. So what you notice is that those two equations are equivalent. When you distribute them out, you get the same thing. A graph with a slope of 1/6 and a y-intercept of -1/3. It's pretty neat to think that you can pick any point anywhere on the graph and get the same equation when all is said and done. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure to ask questions if you've got them.